Wagwan viewers, Wagwan subscribers, welcome back to a brand new update. In this one, we have Popcaan, Alkaline and Vybz Kartel, plus Star Ashley. So channel leave a like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified so you do not and will not miss a brand new upload. As me, big up yourself, feel free if you comment and make we jump right into it.
It's a lifestyle moment. Give the youth them. Lifestyle. Youth them.
Hold on, don't show me now. Don't show.
Hurry.
When you get your leave.
Hurry, come here.
When you get your leave. When you get your leave.
Hold on, the puppy, see my daughter here, see my daughter here, alright. Okay. Dark of the road.
So big up the unruly boss, Popcaan, in day in the streets. I give out some cash to the kids them, you know. Yeah man, them thing I like to bring to the channel and just talk about and make the people them see the good things where the artists them do for the place, you see me? Yeah man, it may not be a lot, but you don't know, so yo, we have to still highlight the good, no matter how small it is. We have to bring it to the channel, same way, you see me? Yeah man, so the annual boss I give out money to the kids them and it's a good look, no joke. So big up Popcaan and his team. Viewers and subscribers, leave a take down below. So the world boss clap back at the vendetta boss, Alkaline. Viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel talk about things. I go play the video and I see what go on. We don't know say Vybz Kartel never did I go take no this because I don't know how Vybz Kartel them stay already. Them I go answer work. You see me? So just pray what go on and remember if you reach this far, leave a subscribe.
Yes, Sean, what go on? There, on the way to Europe. We're doing Germany. We're doing Amsterdam. We're doing France. Then we're doing wireless in London. One world boss. Remember them now get no show. Once every 4 months them the show. And if them did I charge my price, but I dead for hungry. But this under me nose.
So the world boss a deal to Alkaline. Yeah man. I'ma make them know say yo, Alkaline can't size up. Alkaline them broke. You see me? Remember enough viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel say Alkaline is a good water. Vybz Kartel basically did say Alkaline is a kid. A man massacre figure clash. You see me? So the entertainer make them know say yo, Alkaline no fi size up cause Alkaline is a broke nigga. He don't have no money. You see me? Yeah man. Viewers and subscribers are be things that go on the media between Vybz Kartel and Alkaline. And of them something I would like to see in a dance hall. The back and forth. But the thing is viewers and subscribers are the clash you want to see. You see me? Yeah man. The back and forth shading, it's a vibes to watch. But at the clash you want to see. No joke. But right now, I don't think Vybz Kartel a pre-no clash. I feel him just a mids for running money up because I don't know say a long time Vybz did in a jail. So right now a clash are the main thing I want to see. The back and forth shading, yes, it's a vibe to watch. It make you laugh and things, you see me? But yeah man, competition for inner dancehall, and remember dancehall is built up and clash. You see me? So at the clash you want to see between the two entertainers them, no joke. Viewers and subscribers, make me know when you think Alkaline, Jaja, Vybz Kartel, and make you know say you're broke, you don't have no money.
The people in general, they are more educated. So right now we need some more educated artists because really and truly, you don't really want some artists who represent dancehall music who can put two sentences good together. And so I say it's kind of embarrassing. You see me? So right now we just bring personality, we bring gangster, we are bringing intelligence, we are bringing a whole package because it's entertainment. That's what I say. And it's bigger than just Jamaica. That's what I say. Mm-hmm.
So how if you say the Vendetta boss can't construct a proper sentence? Viewers and subscribers, that was a video of when the Vendetta boss was younger. You see me? Even though I the voiceover on the ear, but still. That was when the Vendetta boss was younger. So how if you say the entertainer cannot construct a proper sentence or him can't do a proper interviews? Like, viewers and subscribers, come on, man. Mates. All of this, I'm going to say it already, I'm going to say it again. All of this are craft. Alka use craft to fool the place. You see me? You see how it have everybody talk about the interview? Nobody can tell me say it's not planned. You see me? Yeah, man. Because I don't know, say Alkaline did interviews before where the interviews was really good, and you don't know that was back then when Alkaline was younger. Hear how him speak and construct his sentence. You can tell how intelligent Alka is. So enough meds, viewers and subscribers, and if you're using the brain, I realize say, yo, all of this is just craft. You see me? But anyways, leave on the take down below. Make me know what you think about all of this.
Good night. So I'm making this video to apologize to Stark Ashley about some things that I've said. I reacted because I am a mother first, and when I saw my daughter in that state, you know, saying all these things, I was very, very hurt. And so I came and I talked about it. So my sincere apology. I am now getting the understanding that, you know, she was not forced. She did what she did on her own. And one of the things is when I saw her running up and down in Spanish Town. And it really hurt me when she told me all these things, but it seems as if it was her mental health issues that caused her to say all these things. So my sincere apologies to you and whatever situation I've caused. I am sorry.